life insurance is a product that was created to protect assets, and not only personal assets, but business assets and different needs for different people. Mm-hmm. So to me, it's a product that is extremely necessary in this capitalist system that we live today, because it provides a protection that usually is very inexpensive considering the cost of the insurance policies today. But I think most importantly is created to protect assets. Well, I think perhaps, on my estimation, of course, is the continually being educated, because the insurance industry is continuously evolving, and the evolution has also created different products, different ways of marketing the policy, the products, and the agent that is not maintain itself abreast of those changes are staying behind. So they should. It's one of the challenges that the agents have to recognize, that they have to be part of it. Well, I feel that the best way to leave a legacy is through a life insurance policy. And again, the reason for that is because it is for the rest of their lives, of the client's life. And if it's sold properly, it has guarantees that it will be there by the time when it's needed, as opposed to some other investments that, yes, it may provide higher returns, but also with the return comes the risks, and it may not be there at the time that's needed. I think they're all good for today's clients. Okay, again, all depend on the client's needs, because of course we are satisfying a need to begin with. But all those products, all those types of policies are good policies, except that the only thing is that they have to be sold depending on the client's needs. And but if they are sold with the intention of making sure that it's satisfying the need, they're all good policies. They're all good products. I mean, the funding is something that has to be discussed with the client and depend on the ability of the client to accept more or less risks. But the fact is, and the way I think about, is that insurance policies should always be for the should be always guaranteeing a need, and if it's not that, then it loses the purpose of actually to be the life insurance policy in a sense. Because permanent life insurance is sold for the purpose of being there when it's needed. And if it's not permanent, it's not going to be there. Therefore, that's why it's advantageous in terms of other types of policies. Now, not all policies have to be permanent, because again, insurance policies is to satisfy a need, and if the need is temporary, you don't have to have a permanent life insurance. But normally, life insurance policies is to be there when the need comes. So that's why permanent policy is important.